Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is DWOOD here, and today I'm coming to you bare face, no hair, because we about to get it all together. Before we get into anything, definitely go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get into it. So today we're going to be installing this really pretty chocolate wig from Alipearl hair. I've really been having fun doing these wigs, y'all. I literally never wore a wig until recently. Like, never in my life I never put like a legitimate wig on. They sent over a 13x4 22-inch 180% chocolate wig. I got a medium cap size, which we're gonna see how it fits, because yesterday when I tried it on with my little afro, it seemed a little tight, but now that I have my hair slicked back, not really slicked back, but I'm hoping it fits a little better. So I don't want to do the bald cap method, right? I just don't feel like dealing with it, and yeah, that's that. Basically, I don't really feel like dealing with the bald cap method. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it because I'm excited. Let me go grab the wig. So this is the hair. It is 22 inches, a really pretty brown color. Really pretty. And this is the hair after I washed it. So I did decide to pluck it just a little bit, and I did bleach the knots just a little bit because the hair is already brown. So I figured the knot shouldn't be too dark. So this is how the wig is constructed. It's a full 13x4. So from like this whole part is 4 inches. Y'all know sometimes the 13x4 is only like right here, but this one is like all the way through. We got 3 combs, one on the side and one in the back. And we got the elastic little band to help you tighten up the wig. So let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on. I'm gonna use the comb that's in the back to secure it underneath my wig cap. And boom. Yeah, that looks a lot better now. Oh, I'm about to be a baddie. Okay, let me see. All right, let's go ahead and do these tabs. So technically, like right here is where, yeah. I'm gonna cut this right there. And then cut that right there. All right. And I think I want to use this. So we're actually going to be using this product to glue this wig on. Okay, let's do it. And I do know that this stuff, it dries quick. I'm gonna position this where I want it. Blow dry a little. Okay, so for the most part, we got this thing glued on. What I think I'm gonna do is use a little bit more of this spray on the lace and then use just a regular elastic band to melt everything in. Okay, so I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna let this melt for a little bit. Maybe like 15 minutes. I don't know, because it pretty much is already dry. Anyway, I'm gonna let this melt for a little bit. My head literally feels like it's about to pop like a watermelon. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in really quickly while I'm curling the hair and fixing up my hairline because it was looking a little crazy here. I used a little bit of the spritz spray just to kind of help melt that hairline a little bit more. I ended up having to finish my install on a completely different day, but it's cool because it still came out cute or whatever. The color of this wig against my complexion was absolutely gorgeous. I did not think that I was gonna love this hair color in this wig as much as I did. Thank you so much again, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. This wig was literally everything. So of course, before I installed the wig, I had to play around in the hair a little bit, and it was so soft, y'all. Y'all saw those curls in the beginning. I really wish I was able to recreate those curls again, because the texture of this hair and the way that the hair was actually sent to me, super pretty. So today I really just wanted to kind of go for some really messy curls slash waves. I saw a photo online that looked really pretty to me, and I just tried my best to recreate it. So before I curled the hair, I decided it probably would be best to flat iron the hair a little bit, and it took to the flat iron really well, and it curled really pretty also. Like I said, I was going for more of kind of that messy, effortless look, but y'all can see them curls was curling. If you're interested in this unit, of course, I'm gonna have everything linked down below, so definitely be sure to check that description box. I feel like sometimes trying different hair colors can be kind of intimidating, but if you're looking to try some color but want it to still kind of look natural, I highly suggest this hair color. This hair color is what really sold this wig for me. Alrighty guys, so this is our finished look. Definitely be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And of course, leave the video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Before we head out, I want to say thank you so much to Alipearl Hair once again for sponsoring this video. I will see y'all in the next video.